in Great Britain, also known as the Quay House, is a tourist attraction on the Quay in Conwy, Wales. It is reputed to be the smallest house in the United Kingdom. Robert Jones lived in the smallest house until 1900. He was a 6 foot 3-inch fisherman. The smallest house in Britain, located in Conwy, North Wales, has received a new addition to its living space for the first time in 400 years, a sofa. As the Guinness Book of World Records stated, the property stands at 122 inches tall and just 72 inches wide, with just 1.5 meters squared of usable floor space. It was occupied right up until May 1900, and ever since it has been visited and marveled at by thousands of people from around the world, including me.